To say I did not eat in Arabic, you would say أنا ما أكلت. Again, أنا ما أكلت. Now keep in mind this is in Levantine Arabic and spoken Arabic using the ma, because a lot of you might be asking, isn't it lam or la? This is with the lam and la mostly in modern standard Arabic. If you're brand new to Arabic and you're not completely sure what are the differences, make sure to check out the free mini course. The link is in the bio or description of the Instagram page or the YouTube channel. Just go to the description, you find it there. So ma plus the verb أنا ما أكلت, I did not eat. I ate. أنا أكلت, I did not eat. أنا ما أكلت. Now looking at a word or a phrase like I did not go, you would say أنا ما رحت. How would we say I went? أنا رحت. So just adding ma, I did not, the negation, taking that out becomes the affirmative statement. Follow for more. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next